We are assembling the Truck Slimline box card, the lemon box card. I've got my inserts and these two pieces here with the siding, I guess you call that siding, make up the box of the card. The piece that's facing the same direction as your inserts is your front. This piece is the back. And that's what I'm going to start with. And I'm going to start just by folding this on the score lines. Whoops, there is no fold there. Sorry about that. This paper is so textured, I thought that was a score line. Okay, this is the piece for you, for your sentiment for the back, so that you can sign your card. The back piece has the grill for the front of your truck. I'm just getting a little tiny dot of glue on each one of those grids. Okay, so there you go. The back is finished. Now we're going to bring in the front of the card. I'm just leaving that bent so that I don't go over that edge when I put that on, because I don't want that to get in the way. I want to glue that correctly. Okay. The next piece I'm going to put on is this running board. You can see a little curve right there at the back where that one goes. That's a good place to start. It does go over a little bit there on the side, so you want to make sure that you don't glue that down to your tab. Just like that. Put my wheels on. Now that I'm seeing this, it would have been cute to do the hubcaps like in the green or the yellow there. That would have been cute. But I just did silver. Wasn't thinking when I cut it out. So you're just going to layer each of these tires. And now I'm going to work on the door. When you see this little square, you might think this is supposed to be like for a license plate, but it actually goes here behind this cutout for the door. And this is so you don't have to glue on such a tiny piece. Like if you wanted your door handle to be chrome, you could cut that out in silver. And then just find on your door where there on the running board, you'll see where it fits down into place. And then we got the window. These two pieces make your headlight. I like mine to hang over the edge a little bit. And then you have your tail light. So the piece that goes over your tail light piece is smaller than your headlight. There we are. So there is the truck, and I'm okay. So that is the box of our box card. And the piece that has the two lemons is the piece for the back. You will have to look at these green pieces. These two are just a little bit different. Make sure you have the one that actually fits for the front piece, matched up correctly. It's not too hard to tell. You just have to hold it up to it. All the lemons are the same size, so you don't have to worry about where those go. I'm just pinching my flower a little just to give it a little more dimension. Using my pen to help me get it into place. You're going to fold this on the tabs and set it aside. Now let's work on the back piece, the front piece, sorry. So the one with one lemon is for the front. Add the flower. Fold the tabs, and now we are ready to insert the back piece. You're going to do your tabs straight out. Just put glue on one side, the side with your edge. Lay this right up against the back, fold the side over, glue it into place. Now let's do the front piece, same way. We're going to lay it right in front of the back one, fold it over, glue into place. Now I've got my 2 tabs over here on this side. I'm going to put glue on them. You really want to be careful with your glue. You don't want too much because you don't want it to ooze out and glue your front and back pieces together. Fold it both ways, and then we're going to close it up. I'll make sure that that goes underneath my fender there that hangs over. And there is the Truck Lemon box card. Thank you for joining me.